guys, it's Amber. So today I have created this really gorgeous bold blue and purple like smoky avant-garde eye look, and I absolutely love it. I think it turned out really well, and I'm so proud of myself. So if you'd like to see how I created this eye look, please continue watching. And first off, I'm going to start with my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and I'm just going to be putting that all over my eyes to cover up any veins, eye bags, discoloration, etc. And I'm just going to be using a big fluffy brush to blend that out. Now I'm using my Rimmel Stay Matte Powder and my powder puff just to set that concealer down, just to make sure there's no creasing or anything. And I'm just wiping away the excess powder with that brush. Now I'm going to be taking that purple plum shade in my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm just going to be running this colour right through my crease, inner corner to outer corner, making sure that it's all blended really nicely and seamlessly. Now I'm just using another fluffy brush to blend out the edges to make sure it's all seamless and there's no harsh lines. Now I'm going in with a deeper purple shade, and I'm taking that on a pencil brush, and I'm going to be running that really tight through my crease to transition between the plum colour and that purple I'm now putting down. Then I'm just going to go ahead and take the same brush that we used previously with the plum purple shade on it and just run that through the crease to help blend the colours together. Now I'm taking this vibrant turquoise blue shade and I'm using that pencil brush again. This shade is going to be going all over my eyelid and right through the crease, inner corner to outer corner. This is going to be the main colour on our eyelid. Again, I'm just going back in with that brush that had the purples on it to help blend the two colours together, making sure there's no harsh lines. I just repeat the same thing on the second eye. Now, this look really is all about layering, so if you want the colour or the intensity or the opacity of the colour to build up, just go back over it a few times. I actually did go back over it quite a few times, just to make sure that the colour was as vibrant as I wanted it. Now I'm taking this very flat, dense brush and my Maybelline Master Conceal concealer, and I'm just going to be carving out a little portion in the middle of my eye. This is just going to create a nice, smooth and even coloured base for our shimmer colour to go on top of. This is just going to make it stand out more also. Now I'm taking this, what it looks like a white shimmery shade, but it actually has a really nice blue undertone to it, which works really well with this look. I'm just spraying my brush with a little bit of BH Cosmetics setting spray to make this shimmery shade a little more vibrant. And then I'm just packing that on the center of my eye where we put the concealer. Now I'm going in with the same blue shade we used before and that pencil brush, and I'm just basically making sure there is no harsh lines where I've put the shimmery shade. I'm just blending it all together, and again, this can take a few layers to look seamless. However, it's well worth it because the result looks amazing. And I'm just doing the exact same thing to the other eye. I'm just taking my BH Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the shade Esmeralda, and this one is in the shade Bewitched. And now I'm just going to take some tape as we are going to be doing a winged liner. I haven't done a wing liner in a little while, so I decided to use tape because I didn't really want to stuff up the eye look. And I'm just taking these two very fine wing liner brushes. First I'm starting off with the purple, and that is going halfway across my eye, and then the blue is coming across the other half from my inner corner to the center. And I'm just going to be patting and mixing these two colors together, just overlapping each other to create a nice gradient and fade. Now I'm just taking that same turquoise blue shade we used on our eyelid. This is going on my lower lash line on the outer corner. And now I'm just going to be taking that same plum purple shade, and that's going on my inner corner of both lower lash lines, just making sure the colours blend together nicely by blending them out with this big fluffy brush. This is the last step, in which I'm going to take some highlighter from Physicians Formula and put that on my inner corners to give my eyes a little bit more of a glow. So that is it for the tutorial today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. I had such a fun time creating this look, and I'm again so proud of it. I absolutely love it. I don't want to wash it off. But anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. All my social media links will be in the description box as always. Again, thank you so much for watching. Bye!